Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys could see from the title, it is a jewelry review and I'm so excited about these. These are absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to share and show you guys these beautiful pieces from Read Your Heart. The name is everything. Before I go ahead and dive into these beautiful jewelry pieces, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. Diamonds are a girl best friend. Let's dive in. Alright you guys, let's go ahead and dive into these beautiful jewelry pieces. A company called Read Your Heart contacted me and they were generous enough to give me a certain amount to choose whatever I wanted from their website. So I ended up choosing 3 pieces for the budget that they gave me and they were super okay with it. They were super accommodating. I just really honestly loved chatting with them and I'm so excited to show you guys my jewelry pieces. Now they are most famously known for their beautiful rings, but to be honest, I'm just not there yet with rings, so I decided to go ahead and choose a bracelet, earrings, and a beautiful necklace, and I'm here to show you guys what I have gotten. First of all, it came into like a regular packaging bag, nothing too crazy, but then when I opened it up, I found all of these beautiful goodies, so I'm here to show you guys what they gave me. So first of all, there's this right here. So first you have a cute little shopping bag, so if you're buying for a gift or whatnot, especially, you know, the holidays is right around the corner, and if you are a gentleman looking to buy something for your lady and you don't know what to get, you can go ahead and check out Read Your Heart. They have everything that you are looking for. So it comes in a little shopping bag like this, so you can pack it up and have it all nicely gifted for your special person. And it also comes with a silver shining cloth, which is really important. I love the fact that this is in here, you guys. I love my jewelry to be always nice and shiny and sparkly, and without this helper right here, I would never get that spark. So I'm really happy that they have this in here. And they also have this little thing right here. It's called Record Your Memories, and it kind of really talks about their rings. Look how beautiful. I mean, come on, if you're looking for beautiful engagement rings, then you have this right there. And also it talks about their story and their brand. And also, if you guys are wondering, because you know some people don't really like to get something that is not diamonds, which these come with their own certificate, and these are Moissanite. So they come certified Moissanite diamonds, and you have the GRA certificate. Now I have 3 because I have 3 pieces. I will show you this in a second. Now if you don't know what's the difference between Moissanite and diamond, in here actually it tells you what it is. So you have all the details that you need to know about a Moissanite versus a diamond, and it gives you all the category about that if you are curious to know what's the difference between both. I would highly recommend that you check out their website and you will have everything that you are looking for on their website. And also when you read it, it's way better than me explaining it. I already have some Moissanite pieces and I absolutely love them. I feel like they sparkle as much as a diamond would, and they are really, really pretty. So let me go ahead and show you guys the certificate. Now I have 3, but I'll show you one of them. They're all basically the same. So it comes with their warranty number as well, which these are very important to have in case anything happens to your gems, to your diamonds. And then the certificate looks like something like this. So this is the certificate. This is the GRA Moissanite certificate, and everything in here, it talks to you all about the details of your gem, of your diamond. the size. It talks about the proportions, the moissanite, everything that you need to know about it, the serial number of the moissanite, which is really interesting. You also have the grading scale, which is how sparkly it is and everything. You have all the details indicated and needed about your moissanite gem, whether if you're buying a ring or a necklace or earrings or whatever. Everything is nicely detailed for you guys. So I love the fact that they include this in here, and I do find it honestly like very professional. Now let's go ahead and dive into the pieces that I chose. So let's go ahead and start off with the first piece. I took it out of the cardboard box right here, and this is how their boxes look. I do have to say that their boxes are extremely high quality. You have their name written on the box as well. I love the Tiffany blue inspired vibe that they have. I feel like it's very Tiffany & Co, which is really pretty. I just really love it. So the first piece right here, I think it's one of my favorite pieces. This is called the Classic Shining Bracelet. Now I always wanted to have a tennis bracelet, and this one, it is just perfect. Just to let you guys know that I'm gonna have all these pieces and all their links indicated in the description box down below. And also Read Your Heart was super nice enough to provide you guys with a 15% off their website. So I'll leave my discount code right here so you guys could see it. If you use LIGHT15, you get 15% off their whole entire website, which is amazing. Happy shopping, which is great because the holidays are literally just around the corner. So this is the first piece right here, and I have to show you this bracelet. I am obsessed with it. Look at that shine that this bracelet has. It is absolutely stunning. Look at this shine that it has. I swear to God, like the moissanite diamond has the same exact sparkle as a diamond. It is absolutely stunning. I do have to say that the quality of this is incredible. I'm just gonna take it out so you guys could see it better. So this is how it looks like, and look at the details of this, and look at the shine and the sparkle that these moissanite diamonds are giving. It's absolutely insane. I do have to say that it doesn't put it in justice on how it is in real life than on camera, because in real life it's just so sparkly and so shiny, and the quality of it is super high quality. It's absolutely stunning. I'm just so impressed by this bracelet. It is so beautiful. The lock, or the security lock, the clasp, I think that's how you call it. I think I'm like wrong, but it's like this. It's kind of like a clip-on, so you insert it in this little pouch like this, and then it clips like that. So it's extremely secure. So if you are worried about losing it, I feel this kind of lock is very secure, and that you won't lose your bracelet along the line. So I do have to say that I'm just obsessed with this bracelet. I do have to say, like, when I first opened the package, I was like, my jaw dropped, because it's absolutely stunning, and I'm just really happy to have a piece like this in my collection, because I'm somebody who is very simple. I don't wear too much jewelry. I'm very simple. I do prefer more like the silver or the white gold kind of vibe. I feel like rose gold or even like yellow gold on my skin tone gets to clash a lot. Like, I'm not a fan of that, but I do prefer more like white gold. And these pieces are sterling silver, I believe. They don't really change color, but I would highly recommend try to avoid cream, perfumes, or even taking a shower in them. Try as much as you can to avoid these things. I normally don't wear these beautiful pieces when I'm showering. I normally like to put them on when my perfume and my cream is already on, and then I put them on just to kind of keep them in their original state and beautiful and sparkly like this. Look how beautiful this bracelet is. Like, oh my God, the way it shines like in real life, it's absolutely insane. It is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's such a statement piece. It is absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. Next piece is the necklace. So this one here is called Moissanite Luxury Two-Tone Hollow Sterling Silver Necklace. Now, It is two tones and you're gonna see it in just a sec. And I have red lipstick everywhere right now. I know that I spoke about just liking white gold or sterling silver, but this one here really caught my eye because sometimes I do like a little touch of yellow gold, and I feel like this has the perfect touch of it in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this necklace. It is so beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. Look at this beauty. This is the necklace. I love the little teardrop that it has. It is absolutely stunning. I'm not sure if you guys could see the two-tone that it has, but the two-tone, it is so minimum and it's so discreet on here. Basically, the two-tone is the little 4 dots on the side, which are yellow gold, and the rest is white sterling silver. And this is the bracelet. Look at that shine of the Moissanite diamond. It's unbelievable. This and this, they're both Moissanite, by the way. That little drop just gives it elegance, and I absolutely love this. Oh my god, this piece, it is so beautiful. And I love the fact that it is held by the necklace and the fact that this doesn't move. I just love the fact that it's just still. Let's wear this piece on. I'm just obsessed with this piece. It is so beautiful. It's beyond gorgeous in real life. Like, I can't even describe how stunning this piece is. Let's go ahead and put it on. I took it out of the packaging and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it on there, just like this. Look at this elegance. Look at this beautiful piece. Look at the shine. I mean, it literally just sparkles like crazy. It is so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this. I love how delicate the necklace is, and I love how delicate is actually the stone and the little drop. It is so beautiful. To be honest with you guys, when I have an event and I'm going out, sometimes I don't wear necklaces, but sometimes I do, and when I do, I want it to be as simple, as elegant as possible. And this is literally everything that I want in a jewelry. It is so stunning. I am just obsessed with this. It is so cute. It is so elegant, so simple as well. I'm loving this piece. The third and the last piece of this video review, this is also the same thing as the necklace. This is the Moissanite two-tone hollow sterling silver stud earrings. I had to get these to match the necklace, okay? Like, these are absolutely stunning, and I love these earrings because I don't like anything crazy or dangly or like too big on the ears. I like it when it's simple, soft, and elegant. I don't like to overdo earrings, especially because I feel like I have so many piercings on my ears. Simple and elegant as much as possible. So when I found these, I'm like, oh my god, these are perfect with the necklace. I ended up grabbing the same thing as the necklace. They also have that two-tone to them as well. It's they keep falling off the thing. These are also two-tone. Hopefully they don't fall off. They've been falling off this whole time, but the yellow little details are the same thing as the necklace. So the two-tone is mainly more in the back a little bit. You can see that yellow, but then on the actual earring, it is that little 4 dots as well as the necklace, same thing, and it has a cute little drop to it as well, which is really cute, so elegant. I'm gonna go ahead and wear them and show you guys how they look like on. I'm gonna be putting them in the third hole that I have, because this is normally where I like to put my little studs. So this is the little gem right here. Look how cute and elegant it is. I'm just obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna be putting on the other one as well. There you go. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with these. These are so cute and so elegant. They are so pretty on. Alrighty, you guys, this is the end of this video review. I love each piece that I've received from Read Your Heart. Thank you so much again for your generosity, for sending me 3 of your beautiful pieces. I'm totally obsessed with them. I'm gonna leave all of the information that you guys need to know about Read Your Heart in the description box down below, including the pieces that I have with their links, and of course my discount code as well. If you are willing to shop on there, please let me know what did you purchase and if you like it or not. And if you already purchased from Read Your Heart, also please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I would love to know. To be honest with you guys, I am just so impressed by the quality of everything that I have on. I just can't wait to wear them for my next event. I am just so excited about these pieces, and I'm just obsessed, and I'm in love, basically. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.